looks like I'm not going to be the only one here. Or somebody was here earlier. I'll try to get down into some of this and wade out a little bit. Alright, let's get up there. Alright guys, welcome back. Out here on the river this time. A little bit colder than freezing. But the reason it's not frozen already is because the plant up the upriver is spewing out a little bit warmer than freezing temperatures. Anyway, out here hoping to get on a bass, maybe walleye, muskie. I got my 7-foot medium heavy, working actually 15 bow braid, and oddly enough 20-pound fluorocarbon from one of my previous pike trips. Normally I would fish the river with a medium, but if I do get a hold of something bigger, I don't want to be challenged all that much. So let's get a few casts in, see if we get on something. Okay, on my first one. That was awesome. Just bouncing it off the bottom. Not a big guy. But you know what? I am not mad at all. It is cold out here. There we go. There we go. He's out. Using a, I forget. That's funny. Used them last year. Just tiny little swim bait, pre-rigged by Berkeley, I think. I'll have to double check that. I'll put that up on the screen anyway. We'll find out. Hopefully we can get another one. Go get that one. Hopefully I can get it back. I don't want to free-die, to be honest with you. Everything's so cold. Actually, the water's not too bad considering the power plant's keeping it warm. Maybe I'll just cast from here. Still quite a ways away from my snag. It's not too bad. I could probably get a better reach out to some of this water. Maybe I'll just stand on this rock right here. That ain't bad. Yeah, that's good. Let's see if we can catch a fish. Jeez, another fish, I should say. Yep, that's a much better fish. Yep. There we go. It's not huge by any means. But it's definitely a winter bass. Heck yeah. Little fatty. Nice. Get him back. Pop down there. Maybe I can catch one or two more, and then I'll just focus solely on walleye or maybe a muskie. I don't know. I haven't made much of an effort going after them lately. Gotta be another one here. Oh, there we go. Back to back. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh, wow, it's a big chub. River chub. I don't have my net. But look at this. Look at this guy. I don't know. 15, 16? That was crazy. Crazy. I'm gonna work my way over there. Get away from all this debris. A lot of it's pretty shallow up till here. Yeah. Already, right away. Nice. I'll take that one. One more cast, I'll move back up. And I came, stumbled across this. What is that? 6 cents. Pretty decent lure. How about that? Use that for later. Alright. Saw something up here getting chased earlier. I didn't get my camera on in time. But I'm definitely gonna take a couple swings at it. Right on the other side of the first break coming down. Oh, there it is right there. See the little wake coming towards me? That's cool, man. That is real cool. I'm gonna throw past him. See See if he picks it up.